Okay, this is the 6-cylinder engine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is variable compression ratio, double opposed, ported, two-stroke. The number of additives is a bit high, I apologise. So there is a patent from 1906 which has a same arrangement, except rather than having one trilobe cam, we have two, and they are like the Bourke engine on opposite directions. Okay. So you get the scissor action of here and here. On the bearings, this one will go that way and the other bearing will go this way. So this one will roll that way, that one will roll this way, and because that and that, this one pushes on that side, that pushes on this side, the other one pushes on that side in the opposite direction to that one, and that one pushes in the opposite direction to that one. There and there. So yeah, you get no twisting of this shuttle with the bearings. The scissor action pushes each of these in and out. So cylinders 1, 3 and 5 go in as 2, 4 and 6 go out. Okay, right. Now this is designed to be made with laser cut, entirely with laser cut steel slices. So here you have bolt holes. Okay, so it's just real simple pieces like this. These will be bolts going through about here, inside here, to hold that in. I'll show you this bit. On this side there's a bolt, again another bolt, and another bolt here holds this whole assembly on, and this bit pops off and slots into here, two holes here, and likewise, so it will slot in there. It's white is easier, isn't it? Oh well, never mind. Okay, now this goes into, they've got tabs here, so this all just falls to pieces if it wasn't for this holding that together on there, and there's going to be another one on this side, and here I'll put it on this one, and here again two bolts holding the whole thing on, and then because that's connected to that, that's connected to that, that's connected to that, and it's all slotted, it doesn't rattle about and shake to pieces. Now this can be a ceramic lined cylinder. Here is where you have your water coming, yeah, with my finger, coming in here, cooling this, coming out the other side. This is the variable compression ratio piece, where you'd have a servo motor on the outside here turning this. It's just a bottle top, so this whole piece, which has the cylinder head on it with the spark plug for low compression ratio. Alright, when you have high compression ratio, you just switch it off. Okay. Alright, remember it's ported two-stroke. So here's your exhaust out, and on the other side is a slightly higher one up for the in. No, other way round. The exhaust port is slightly larger, so that when the piston comes down, it exhausts the thing at a lower point. Okay, so that comes down here. Blah blah blah. You get how a two-stroke works, but it's just a two-stroke with a variable compression ratio. Duh. Air intake will be in here. That will compress here. We want as much compression in here as well, because the thing is, be a transfer tube coming up to here on the air intake, which with this one, the intake, with a venturi effect. You know, like a spray gun. You know how a paint sprayer works. That will vaporize, you know, and mix the oil, but it's done from pressure, not high pressure, but you know, 2 or 3 or 4 atmospheres underneath here. So you want this a small chamber to give lots of compression, which when the port opens up goes, and that will vaporize the fuel, get you airflow mixture, and you need no carburetor. Duh. Ring bearing on here, ring bearing on here. That's it really. Oh, one other nice thing is that normally this is designed for having a hybrid, so you'd have an electric motor as both your start stop and starter motor. Now normally that would be a bit of a problem, because when you're not running this, you get high compression in here, and both here and here, and you get losses. Well, all you do is you wind this until the top of the cylinder comes off with a gap, and it just goes, air goes in out, in out, in out, and you don't get any problems with compression underneath here. Compressing air. That's a little chipmunk. Hello. Yes, I'll give you some more in a minute. Give him some nuts. Give him some nuts. Here we go. Here we go, little one. Yep. There we go. Now, what else? You have 2 gears here. This is a. Let me lift it up. That's a pen. Alright, so let me try if I can take these off. 1, 2. Don't forget which order these go on, because it's a pain in the ass to get these toothpicks in. Okay, there's your bearings. Yeah, so you'd have a bearing actually on here, which ensures that these spin without vibrating. And then on that other side you have 1 gear going one way, 1 going the other, and then just as in the Bourke engine, 1, 2, 3 to reverse the direction of the gears. That really is it. Yeah, thank you very much.